Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into a treasure trove of automotive knowledge that could save you a ton of cash and get your ride purring like new. We're talking about junkyards, but not just any junkyards. We're uncovering 13 hidden secrets to finding perfect parts for your car. This isn't about sifting through rotating metal aimlessly. It's about strategic hunting that guarantees success. So grab a pen, because you're about to become a junkyard Jedi. First up, secret number 1, asterisk. No, before you go, asterisk. This might sound obvious, but you'd be surprised. Before you even set foot in that yard, research the part you need. Get its exact name, part number if possible, and a list of compatible vehicles. Modern cars often share components across different models or even brands. Knowing this expands your search exponentially. Don't go in starving for just one specific car model. Secret number 2, asterisk dress for success, or rather, for the yard. Asterisk. Seriously, this isn't a fashion show. Think old clothes, sturdy boots, work gloves, and a hat. You'll be crawling, digging, and lifting. It can be a sturdy job, but the savings are worth it. And trust me, you don't want to get a cut from a brutal piece of rusty metal, because you skipped the gloves. Safety first, always. Moving on to secret number 3. Arm yourself with the right tools. A basic toolkit is essential. Ratchet sets, wrenches, screwdrivers, a pry bar, a wire cutter, and maybe even a cordless drill. A flashlight is non-negotiable, even on a sunny day, because those parts are often tucked away in forgotten corners. A wheeled cart or a dolly can also be a lifesaver if you're pulling something heavy like an engine or a transmission. Secret number 4, asterisk master, the art of the look-alike car. Asterisk. Many vehicles are built on shared platforms. A part from a seemingly unrelated model might fit perfectly. For example, a suspension component from a sedan could be identical to one in a compact SUV from the same manufacturer. This is where your initial research pays off. Don't limit your search to the exact make and model you drive. Broaden your horizons to similar years and brands. You might discover an unexpected match. Secret number 5, early bird gets the worm and the best parts. Junkyards often get new inventory daily, sometimes even hourly. Being there when they opened means you get first dibs on fresh arrivals. That pristine headlight or perfectly good door panel won't last long. It's a competitive sport, especially for popular models. Think of it as a treasure hunt where the best treasures are claimed quickly. Secret number 6, asterisk. Befriend the yard staff. Seriously, this is gold. The guys working there know the inventory inside and out, sometimes better than their computer system. A friendly chat, a little respect, and they might point you directly to that hidden gem you've been looking for, or even tell you when a specific car is expected to arrive. They've seen it all, from the abandoned classics to the nearly new write-offs. Their knowledge is invaluable. Secret number 7, inspect. Before you pull any part, give it a thorough inspection. Look for cracks, bends, rust, or any signs of severe damage. Just because it's in a junkyard doesn't mean it's junk. Many cars end up there due to minor accidents or engine issues, leaving a wealth of perfectly good body panels, interior components, or even electrical parts. Don't settle for a cursed asterisk part that will just fail again.